Virtually according to the program, I was asked to contribute an article on religious fundamentalism poses a potent threat to India's peace and security. And this is a joint authorship. Dr. Shahid, former chairman of Minorities Commission Jharkhand, he is a co-author. Perhaps he is not around. And the gist of religious fundamentalism, its connotation, meaning, and how it is engulfing whole India and rather affecting adversely the fabric that is the social, cultural, and even religious, and then posing threat to India's peace and security. So far as fundamentalism is concerned, it means unquestioned adherence to fundamental beliefs. To that extent, I think there is no harm. Following religion strictly according to the provision from which religion is emanating, there is no harm. But feeling superiority, other co-religions, they are the inferior, feeling competition, having ulterior motive and negativity, and with that creating conflict, that is troublesome situation by which not only India, rather whole world is affected one way or another way. What should be done? Who is doing all those nonsense by which the peace is now, I think, affected adversely? On those counts, I would like to share with August gathering, and particularly in the August presence of Sri Indresh, who is the really inspirer and who is giving the call for the unity on the basis of humanity, on the basis of tolerance, on the basis of mutuality, on the basis of respectability. So I feel encouraged since he is here, so I would like to share with you. First of all, fundamentalism, if you look at, then Protestant fundamentalist and Catholic fundamentalist, Mormon fundamentalist, Islamic fundamentalist, Hindu fundamentalist, Buddhist fundamentalist, atheist fundamentalist, and secular fundamentalist. These are the varieties, and many more may be still there, but I have chosen only all these. Many religious beliefs that exist, coexistence, tolerance with due respect to each other, that is the only golden situation and golden mean, but it is not like that. Religious group tries to show, to establish its superiority over the other in order to spread their religion, their culture, and other ideas, and then creating the hostility, and by that, I think humanity otherwise is bound to be affected. Mahatma Gandhi, when father of the nation, he said that religion is the source of all values. In right perspective, if religion is being respected and adhered to. The religious conflict during 30 years war between Catholic and Protestants killed 1/4 of European generation. That is a historic point.